Hello everyone. The rental order multi-branch Odoo app help you to manage a rental order for the different branches in one company. User can see their own branch data and while manager can view it all. It also works well with a multi-company setup. Let's dive in and see how it works. After installing this module, let's get into the settings. Under user and companies where we can see an option to create a branches. Now let's get into the one where we need to give the name, company, telephone number as well as the address for each and every branch. Now after creating the branch, let's enable a branch to the user. So for that we need to get into the user. First we need to give a multi-branch access and we have an access rights for a user also manager for a branch, and on the top you can see the preferences where we can give an allowed branches for the user wise, and this is the one which is a main branch which we have selected on. After enabling everything, let's get into the rental and see how it works. So here in this rental management where you can see in both branches will be enabled. Now let's enable an Ahmedabad alone where it will list out all the Ahmedabad related records. Now if you need to view a Surat related record where you can just get into the Surat where it will list out all the Surat related records. On the list view where you can see a branches. Now, like the same way, if you need for both, you can just enable both to view all the records from both branches. Now, it will be for the other views too. Like in the same way, we can get into the calendar view, pivot view, and also the graph view. If you scheduled activity for some records, you can see a scheduled activity based on the branch wise. So here now we have another option like group by option to filter it out based on a branch wise. So it will be filter it out based on the branch wise. In all views it will be reflected. Now let's get into the one. So where you can see a branches. Now let's print a rental order. So from the print you can see a branches will be there in the print too. Now, if user tries to create a new rental record, it will take a branch which will be in the main branch, like Surat. So this is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.